Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to pair your headphones JBL GOWORK with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, you need to go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now we need to enter pairing mode. So we have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one is to turn on your headphones and press and hold power button until the LED lights start blinking red and blue. And we enter to pairing mode. The second option is to turn on these headphones, and if your headphones do not connect it with another device, they will enter to pairing mode automatically. You can also, if your headphones already connected, you can also just disconnect it from this device and you will have the pairing mode, or unpair it. So the pairing mode, if you have the LED light with blinking blue and red, meaning that you're in the pairing mode, and you will see them at the device list. You need to tap at your headphones, to click connect near to them. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!